Charger, maintainer desulfator and all-weather battery charger, battery maintainer, trickle charger, and battery desulfator. Perfect for charging and maintaining all 12-volt lead-acid, flooded or sealed maintenance-free batteries, AGM and gel cell. ETL safety standard listed. Automatic desulfation optimization, automatic detection of battery sulfation problem. Applying with pulse current technology to desulfate the batteries effectively. Optimize the battery performance during charging without any manual operation. Energy saving, spark-free, zero output in standby mode. No battery drain when connecting with the battery. Spark-proof during lead connection for safety. ETL UL certified, multi-level safety protection timer setup, ETL safety certified. Overcharge, short circuit and reverse polarity protected. Charge the battery up to 14.4 volts and maintain the battery at 13.6 volts for long time to avoid gassing and to extend the battery life. 24-hour timer is set up in the program to terminate the charge and enter the maintaining mode once the voltage is above 14 volts to ensure safety. Easy operation. Just plug in, connect to the battery and start charging or maintaining your battery. The desulfation is working automatically during the charring. No manual operation. Warranty. 2-year warranty and 100% satisfaction service. If you are not pleased with the product, please contact MOTOPOWER directly for hassle-free return and refund. Save your bucks and time. Top reviews from the United States. The straight truth. I purchased this to be sure that my emergency home generator will start when needed. Been cold here and we lost power. Tried to start my generator and, nope, the battery was dead. Got it started with the pull rope. I will always prefer to turn a key as opposed to pulling a rope start. In a few words, this cost-effective unit is dead stupid simple to use and it works. My generator battery is now being trickle charged 24/7 now. Nice feeling as we have months of power outage situations to look forward to. Don't know why I didn't think of this accessory when I bought the generator. All is well now. Looking for a simple to use trickle charger? This is the one.